Good afternoon, do-it-yourself, Del. Do-it-yourselfers, Del. Or do-it-yourself Dellers. What we have today is, it looks like a kind of a banana bread, and it's really hermetically sealed in here. This might qualify for health food. We'll try. The first thing is some marinara sauce. Seems to go okay. A lot easier to bite into when it's warm. Well, no problem there. So now, this queso blanco dip. So that's white cheese dip. And whatever you do, folks, any of this stuff left over, don't pour it down your sink, because it's a challenge to keep your drain open. Stuff that. So this will be the first time I'm tasting this dip. You can taste the cheese and everything. Which is kind of like what you would if you like mac and cheese. It would be kind of like that. The dip part of it. And here again, the banana bread. It's a little bit easier. It looks kind of greasy. Again, there's nothing there that I don't like tasting. So.
Now let's try it with the ice cream.
Uh oh. This is going to be the big one. So we'll just set this over there. Let's see what we can do. Vanilla bean ice cream. That's kind of starting to melt. And we'll see.
Messy?
The ice cream needs to be cold. We'll try it. Again, it's not bad. Again, it's like a mac and cheese kind of cheese. Queso blanco.
Gotcha.
And since what did we just score? 3 of these for free? So there again, my kick about it. And I didn't mind the cooler tasting banana bread, but it's just too hard to bite into. But there was nothing that I was complaining about with the taste. The taste was just fine. They're a little bit greasy this way when you heat them up. But the picture on the containers give you that South Pacific kind of vibe, where the weather tends to be a little bit warmer than here.
Mm-hmm.
Gets windy at times there, but that's a different matter.
I think we could wrap it up then, unless you have other things you want to say about this.
You have a suggestion as to how to wrap this up, Mr. Producer? Because I already said the things that I felt should be said. That it's versatile. It goes with these things that you wouldn't normally pair together, and it's easier to bite into when it's warm, when it's been put on the stove. Thank you for watching the video. And also, we've been doing a live stream, first day of spring and that sort of thing. Not much happening there according to some people, but some people who, if you're a naturalist and you like seeing animals eating, what they're doing in your backyard and so forth, it's kind of interesting that way. you like watching snow melt, which I do, it's one of my favorite things when it goes away. So that's the way I'm looking at it from. That's my perspective. So for those of you who watched that, thank you for that too. Adios, muchachos y muchachas.